So one thing I want to talk about today is why stocks go up in the long term. So it's become pretty much conventional wisdom that stocks go up in the long term, but why is that? Well, people want to make their lives better, and therefore they become more productive, and therefore the economy grows, and therefore businesses grow, and therefore their earnings grow, and therefore stocks go up. That's pretty much it though. People want to make their lives better, and so they do more stuff, and the economy actually grows because we're becoming more productive. We're taking less to do more. The economy grows, and then the stock market is just a collection of all the businesses, and if the businesses' earnings are growing, then the stock market goes up. But there is one caveat. If investors bid up the price of the stock market too much in the short term, that actually pulls the returns to the beginning and leaves fewer returns later on. And so, for example, in the late 1980s, Japan had a huge asset bubble. Stock prices were bid to the moon, similar to the cryptocurrency boom in the early parts of 2018. Everything got bid up and then the bubble burst. And so, as long as investors don't bid the price of the stocks up so much that the returns are pulled forward, then the stocks will go up in the long term. But even still, even through bubbles, stocks will go up in the long term just because we become more productive and the economy grows. So the main question you have to ask yourself is, will the US, at least wherever you're investing, will that economy grow over time? Will they become more productive? And if you say yes, then stocks will probably be a good choice for the long term rather than cash, which inflation eats. And so that's why stocks go up in the long term. Have a great day.